Hi, I am Meghla Somasundaram. I'm going to present my project. I have created a data warehouse for a USA startup game designing company. The company is going to enter into the global market, so it is analyzing the platform, journal, EU sales, and global sales of its competitor. I have taken four data sets, two from Kaggle and two from two. I have done the sentimental analysis using R via Twitter. I've took the positive counts of the platform and the journal. Now I'm gonna in the SQL Server Management Studio, I'm gonna create a database called as DW Project Games. After that, in the SSIS, in the SSIS, in the SSIS, I have truncated the tables and loaded my tables over here and did a data conversion, and all my tables are stored in the DW project games. After this, the dimensions are created. I've created four dimensions. After the I've created the dimensions in the dimension table, and in the fact table, I've fired a join query and connected all the tables and built several lookups. This is the fact table. Uh, let's check the fact table. The fact table is populated over here. All the primary key of the dimension tables are connected towards the fact table. uh, and let's execute this package. Package execution completed with success. Now let's check this in the SQL management server. Let's check whether the fact table is loaded here or not. Yes, the fact table is loaded over here. After this, we have to move to the SSAS. Here the cube is deployed. Here we are going to deploy the cube. Mm, this is the dimension table, and this is the dimension table, and this is the fact table. All the dimension table have a primary key which is connected directly towards the fact table. Now let's deploy the cube. The cube have been already deployed, so it shows like no changes detected. Now I'm gonna analyze my BI queries via Power BI. First, my first BI query is which genre is highly played and highly liked by the users. Mm, the racing genre is the highly liked genre by the users. And the next is the platformer and the adventurers. It is analyzed with the sentimental scores from the Twitter. So this is the most liked games by the users. And my next query is uh, which platform have highest sales in the EU. As you can see, uh, Nintendo and the PlayStation have the highest sales in the EU, and we are precisely going to uh, analyze the sales of the Nintendo and the platform. Since PlayStation and Nintendo have several versions, we are just analyzing the three versions in all the two, Nintendo DS, Nintendo 64 and Nintendo 3DS, PlayStation Portable, PlayStation 3, and PlayStation Vita. Out of this, Nintendo 64 has the highest EU sales. Uh, and my third business query is what kind of genre is sold highly so far. The highly sold game genre is the action, but the highly liked genre is the racing. So that is a quite difference in between these two. But the racing game is sold. It is the third in is thirdly highly scored, and the secondly highly sold game genre is the sports. And my last business query is the what kind of contribution is given by the US for the games, for each games. For the Avengers initiative, it have given 1410 million for this game, Avenger initiative. And the second one is the NHL, and the third one is the Forza Horizon. So this is my project. Thank you.